Hello from Inside Drug Discovery. This video presents a drug, Xocova, which was recently approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. This video emphasizes the medicinal chemistry properties of the compound rather than its effects in patients. Xocova was approved on May 29, 2026. Xocova is approved for prevention of COVID-19 in patients recently exposed to those with COVID-19 infection. The API in Xocova is ensitrelvir. The drug is administered orally once per day over a period of 5 days. So, day 1 is a 375 milligram dose with 3 tablets, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all just 125 milligrams. The sponsor for the NDA is Xocova. The link to the prescribing information insert of Xocova is shown on this slide as well as in the video description. Ensitrelvir, the API in Xocova, acts on the SARS-CoV-2 main protease, or Mpro. This is a key protease that chops up the translated viral peptide, polypeptide, into structural proteins. So the viral RNA is translated into the viral polypeptide, and Mpro liberates itself from this polypeptide and then continues to chop up the polypeptide to get the individual viral proteins. Mpro is a peptide with 306 amino acids. The structure is well understood with multiple entries in the PDB of co-crystals of Mpro with bound inhibitors. The IC50 of ensitrelvir on Mpro is 1.3 nanomolar. The physicochemical properties of ensitrelvir are on this slide. The compound has a fairly high molecular weight, but nothing else here really stands out. Ensitrelvir fits well in oral small molecule drug space. The PK properties of ensitrelvir reveal a quite long half-life. Although the compound is only dosed for 5 days, it is reasonable to expect that its efficacy extends well beyond that 5-day window. The long half-life is in part because of its low clearance paired with a moderate volume of distribution. The oral bioavailability is not reported in the prescribing information, and the plasma protein binding is high. The prescribing information provides no information about the metabolites of ensitrelvir. There is information that implies that CYP3A4 is involved in the metabolism of the compound based on how the co-administration of CYP3A4 inhibitors increase the in vivo exposure of ensitrelvir. The drug and its metabolites are primarily excreted via the feces. Xocova carries risks of embryo-fetal toxicity, potential drug interactions via CYP3A4 inhibition, and hypersensitivity. Adverse reactions to Xocova appear to be mild with headache, diarrhea, and cough. That concludes this summary of the NDA approval of Xocova, which was announced by the U.S. FDA on May 29th of 2026. Xocova contains ensitrelvir as its active pharmaceutical ingredient. Xocova is approved for post-exposure prophylaxis of COVID-19. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe, or make a comment. Take care.